Welcome to Cortex Vision. Join me as I dive into the world of DeepSeek and see if it can really shock giants like NIO, Tesla, and Xiaomi. DeepSeek, the AI-powered analytics company, has been making waves in the tech and automotive sectors with its cutting-edge technology. With its innovative approach to data analysis, DeepSeek has positioned itself as a game-changer in the industry, and we're about to see just how much of an impact it's had on some of the biggest names in the business. NIO, the Chinese electric vehicle giant, has long been considered a pioneer in the EV space. But with DeepSeek's advanced analytics capabilities, NIO's market position is being challenged in a way it never has been before. Specifically, DeepSeek's ability to analyze consumer behavior and preferences has given it an edge in identifying market trends, leaving NIO struggling to keep up. Tesla, on the other hand, has dominated the electric vehicle market for years, but DeepSeek's AI-powered insights are giving it a run for its money. With its advanced data analysis, DeepSeek is able to identify areas of improvement for Tesla's autonomous driving technology, making it a serious contender in the space. And Xiaomi, the Chinese tech giant, has been feeling the heat from DeepSeek's innovative approach to supply chain management. DeepSeek's AI-powered analytics has streamlined Xiaomi's production process, making it more efficient and cost-effective. In recent months, we've seen significant changes in the market shares of these companies. Tesla's stock price, for example, took a hit when DeepSeek announced its plans to expand into the autonomous driving space. NIO's market share has also taken a hit, as DeepSeek's analytics capabilities have given its competitors an edge in the EV space. And Xiaomi's revenue has been impacted by DeepSeek's innovative approach to supply chain management. But what really caught everyone off guard was the announcement that DeepSeek had partnered with a major automaker to develop an AI-powered analytics platform. This move has sent shockwaves through the industry, with many wondering how this will affect the future of these companies. The reaction from industry experts and analysts has been mixed, with some hailing DeepSeek as a game-changer and others expressing skepticism about its ability to disrupt the industry. But one thing is certain, DeepSeek has shaken things up in a big way. The question on everyone's mind is what this means for the future of NIO, Tesla, and Xiaomi. Will they be able to adapt to the changing landscape, or will they be left behind? Only time will tell. The announcement has also sparked a heated debate about the role of AI in the automotive industry, with some arguing that it's the key to unlocking the next level of innovation, while others worry about the potential risks and downsides. In conclusion, DeepSeek has undoubtedly sent shockwaves through the industry, and it's clear that its innovative approach to analytics is changing the game. Whether you're a fan of DeepSeek or not, one thing is certain, it's an exciting time to be in the tech and automotive space. So, what do you guys think about DeepSeek's influence on the industry? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more insights into the world of tech and automotive.